If your device is running Android 10, you probably don't need to download and install a third-party app to record your phone's screen anymore. Google's Android 11 developer preview comes with an inbuilt screen recorder. Apparently, Android 10 has this feature too. In this video, you will learn how to enable Android 11's native screen recording in Android 10 without root. Let's start the video. First of all, you'll need to download Google's Platform Tools files. Use the link in the description below to download the zip file on your computer. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to your desktop to make it easier to locate the folder later. Now right-click on the Windows icon and then open the command prompt. Once your command line tool is open, type CD and press the spacebar to add a space, then drag the Platform Tools folder from your desktop to the command prompt or terminal window to auto-populate its location. Finally, hit enter to redirect the command line tool so that it's operating in the same folder as the files it needs to run the ADB commands. Now connect your Android 10 device to the PC using the USB cable. Make sure that USB debugging is enabled on the device. Now you have to type a command ADB devices to ensure that your device is being properly detected by the PC over ADB. Once you hit enter, a prompt will appear asking you to allow USB debugging. Select Always Allow from this computer, so you don't see this prompt again, and choose Allow. Now you're ready to send the command that will enable the screen recorder. Type the command shown in the video into your command line tool. This command basically turns on the hidden flag in the device settings. Once enabled, the feature will stay on even through reboots, unless you factory reset your device or flash the stock firmware on it. Now that you have enabled the feature on your Android 10 device, you can start using it to record your phone's screen. The option has been hidden right on your device's power menu. So, just long press the power button until the power menu appears on the screen. You should see the power, reboot, screenshot, and emergency options. Simply long press on the screenshot button until a new window pops up. Now press the start recording button to start recording your device's screen. Don't know why, but every time I start recording my screen it crashes. If this feature is working on your phone, then let me know in the comments section. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to drop a like to this video and make sure to subscribe for more videos. So thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you soon.